There are times that undo is not good enough to clear the formatting. It just takes too long. So what do you do instead? Well, let me show you in today's video. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks for your everyday software to make life just that little bit easier. So here I am in Google Docs, and as you can see I've got some formatting already applied. Now I can choose any of this and just choose the formatting again to remove it, but I don't want to. I want to just get rid of it all. So I can actually select all, so I'm just using the shortcut key Control A to select all, and then under Format at the very bottom you can see there is clear formatting. Choose that and you can see it actually has removed all of my text formatting and my paragraph formatting, but you'll notice my style, which is heading 1, is still there. So clear formatting is talking about paragraph and text formatting, not the styles. I hope that you found this quick tip useful. If you have, please do give the video a thumbs up or leave a comment below, and I will see you on the next video.